Is your call center struggling with long wait times, inefficiencies, and low customer satisfaction? You don't have to stay in the red. At Bonita Payton Consulting and Professional Services LLC, we use data-driven strategies to identify gaps, optimize processes, and turn underperforming call centers into high-performing teams. Our expertise in process analysis and IT transitions allows us to identify operational inefficiencies and eliminate bottlenecks. We optimize agent workflows for faster resolution and improved customer experience. We also enhance workforce management with real-time analytics and AI-driven solutions. This helps increase first-call resolution and decrease wait times for world-class customer support. Whether you're transitioning from internal services to outsourcing or need to streamline your existing operations, we provide proven IT and workforce solutions that align with your business goals. From small teams to enterprise-level operations, we ensure scalability, efficiency, and customer satisfaction, no matter the size of your business. Ready to take your call center from red to green? Let's build a high-performing operation together. Visit www.bonitapayton.com to book a consultation today.